have here?
Eris.
Angelo.
Lana. Sarah.
What are we doing?
Skydive!
Jumping out of the sky with strangers today?
No. Best friend.
I know
Her
her.
sister.
Yeah, but we don't know each other. You trust this guy to throw you out?
Yeah.
You jumped with me last time.
Yeah. I
You
trust
brought these
I
guys.
trust
Good,
you, yeah.
good.
Had to bring more, you know?
Yeah. So, last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this?
Nah.
Nothing?
I'm not doing it, but I'm not doing it.
It is the same for me every time. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all here in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock and skydive, have some fun. High five. Oh yeah. Here, give me that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Let's go. Woo! All right, guys. Found an airplane. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Get in, get up, and get out.
High five. High five. High five.
Let's do it. Woo! Big right turn. So pull all the way down right. There you go. Hands up. Alright, let's go all the way down left. Heck yeah. Perfect. How you feeling?
So good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping out, of course.
Heck yeah. Would you come back for a third time?
Absolutely.
You have to.
I'm gonna do it by myself next time.
There you go. Heck yeah.
Thank you. Woo.